As we mentioned earlier in the course, the HTTP protocol facilitates communication between our web browser and server. There are two types of methods that can be used to transmit data between a client and a server. This includes the GET and POST method. The GET method requests data from a specified resource. The POST method submits data to be processed to a specified resource. When using the GET method, the name and value pairs from the form fields are sent in the URL string, as shown in this example. Here we can see the values contained in the fname and lname field are attached to the end of the file name of our form action, send.php. The POST method, on the other hand, sends the name and value pairs in the HTTP message body, as shown in this example. Both the POST and GET method have unique properties that are specific to each one. We'll start with the GET method. GET requests can be cached, they remain in the browser history, they should only be used to retrieve data, they have length restrictions, they should never be used when transmitting sensitive data such as passwords, and they can be bookmarked. The POST method, on the other hand, has no restrictions on data length, cannot be bookmarked, does not remain in browser history, and the requests are never cached.